Hi guys, my name is Elena, and welcome to today's AI tutorial video. We will be diving into the exciting realm of AI-powered marketing tools within Canva. Get ready to take your designs to the next level as we explore two groundbreaking AI tools, text-to-image and text-to-video. So let's get into it. We are gonna head over to our Canva account. If you don't already have a Canva account, it is free to create one. All you need is a valid email address. So we are going to go to the Magic Media to create our design. I'm going to use one of the examples that Canva provides, which is a giraffe walking in a city with cars. Now you're going to pick the style of your image. If you want it to be a filmic, watercolor, photo, they have a bunch more in See All. So you can choose your preferred one. I'm going to use the filmic for today and generate the image. This will take a few seconds to generate, not too long. And here we go. Canva will provide 4 options. This one looks pretty cool. And that's it. If you don't like any of the ones they provided, you can generate again, or you can change the style if you want it in a different one. But that is pretty much it. Now we're going to take a look at the text to video. I'm going to use a Canva example. A wide shot of water lily floating in a pond. Let's try this one. And we're going to generate the video. The videos takes a little longer, and plus it's still in a beta version, so it's very new to Canva. So we will check back in a little on this. Our video is now generated. Here it is. The video generated is 4 seconds long, and it did what we asked it to do. Now, if you don't like how it turned out, you can generate it again, or you can switch up the description of the video. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for our upcoming tutorial videos on trending AI marketing tools. See you next time.